Welcome to episode 71 of Optimization by Oliver, and in this series I pick a brand that sells online, a direct-to-consumer brand, and I basically show you what I would do if I was in charge of running their ongoing CRO and A/B testing. So in this short video, I'm going to break down the homepage, product page, and cart page of a popular shoe brand and show you exactly what I would do if I was in charge of making them more revenue per visitor. So let's start with the homepage of Rothy's. I think it's pronounced Rothy's. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And I've started first and foremost by adding some social proof. So we've just used this nice little pill that calls out the amount of reviews that these guys have received, and straight away when people come to the site, they can relax knowing that lots of other people have bought and reviewed these products. Number two, we've just selected an image that showcases a bit more variety around their amazing shoes. They have some incredible colors, some incredible shapes, so we've done it this way for that reason. Number three, we researched that a lot of their buyers were actually buying because of the sustainability factors around their shoes. So instead, as you can see on the previous design that they used, they have this kind of very short, clever, witty headline, and instead we've actually attached emotion and benefits that people want to see in our headline and description, and therefore I think will hook more people in and get them clicking that more important call to action. Speaking of which, test number 4, let's get rid of buttons on plain backgrounds where they don't even look like a button or stand out, and instead pick a contrasting color with a direct response call to action, a directional cue, and take people to the all-important bestseller page. Moving on to the product page, and these guys do a really good job on their product page, and I think that's what CRO is all about, is taking something that's really good and iterating it to better results. Testing different things is so important for an e-com brand. So we start with number 1. We push that image up, which allows us on number 2 to have product thumbnails. Now, product thumbnails typically will convert way better than not having them. We've used this little arrow to simulate that there's more images, but then we've actually shown more images in a thumbnail carousel, so for people can actually clearly see, they can actually flick between different images. Number 3 is we've added that all-important social proof. Yeah, they kind of had it before, but it's way up here. It's like very small. They've just got a number. They don't actually tell us how many reviews they've got. They don't tell us that they've got happy customers, how many rating out of 5 they actually have. So this way, it's just a lot harder hitting. And number 4, a test that everyone should test on their clothing or footwear brand. If you have a product where you have multiple colors of that single product, instead of using color swatches, try and use color images. What this does is give people a clear visualization before they've even clicked the color of exactly what different options they have. They can then click it, the image then changes, and then they can go and click that all-important add to cart button. Speaking of adding to cart, what test would I be running inside Rothy's cart? Well, first and foremost, let's get a free shipping prompt, or even taking it one step further and gamifying this and adding a free gift prompt into the cart. All this is going to do is encourage people to visually see where they're at, where it comes to free shipping, and actually getting an additional gift. You set that up with number 2, having in-cart cross or upsells, and then number 3, we've just added some nice payment seals, further enhancing the trust within the cart and getting more people to go through to your checkout and less people abandoning that cart. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to our YouTube channel for many more videos like this, and if you want my agency to run some of these tests on your e-com brand and increase your revenue per visitor, get in touch with us. There's a link below this video, or go to ConversionWise.com, and I'll see you in the very next video.